Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 711, and today's topic of lecture is safflower oil and its health benefit. Nowadays safflower oil is very much popular as a cooking oil because of its nutritional value as well as health benefit, and mainly it is used for three purposes from medicinal point of view. First, this oil is very effective. It works as anti-inflammatory. Secondly, it is very good to reduce the high cholesterol level, that is called hypercholesteremia. And third one is that it is very effective for those people who are suffering from diabetes, means blood sugar. So these are all its medicinal properties, and this safflower oil is extracted by solvent extraction and also by expression method from the seed. And this oil is either light yellow or yellow in color, and it is having dull taste, and it is thick little bit, and if it is left in open air for few months, it will go to rancidity, means it will having some foul smell, bad smell because of the oxidation of those fatty acids. And in this, it is the mixture of glycerides of fatty acid, and these glycerides, first one is that is 76% is linoleic acid, 13% oleic acid, and others are 2-3-4%. Mainly these are all unsaturated fatty acid, and this oil is popular for cooking oil because of its high burning point, that is called smoke point, and it is 520 degree Fahrenheit. It indicates that up to that temperature it will not be oxidized and there will not be formation of free radicals, because these free radicals, they are actually capable of destroying our normal cells, and that's why those oils which are having low burning point or smoke point means that at low point, when we are deep frying anything, and especially in Asia and Africa, most of our foods, sometimes we are roasting, sometimes we are deep frying chicken, yam, potato, lot of items, samosa. So in that case, it is contaminated with free radicals, and those free radicals are very harmful. So here there is very little chance of formation of free radicals because of its high smoke point, that is 520 degree Fahrenheit. And it is reported recently that if 8 gram of this oil is given to the patient who is suffering from diabetes, sugar problem, within 4 months time, it can control diabetes. Also, the latest research shows that some doctors, they also recommend to those people who are suffering from higher cholesterol level to take this oil. So overall, this oil is medicinal, and as well as it is having good health benefit. So this the health benefits of safflower, and the botanical name is Canthamus tinctaris Linn, and it belongs to family Compositae. Number one, safflower oil is obtained by expression or by solvent extraction from the seeds of safflower, and safflower oil is pale yellow or yellow in color, and with a characteristic odor and bland taste. Bland taste means it is having dull taste, and it thickens and becomes rancid on prolonged exposure to air. It means that if this cooking oil is left for a long time in open air, there will be rancidity, means there will be foul smell. And because to check this rancidity, most of the oils, they are refined chemically in order to check rancidity. So if you are taking organic oil, naturally extracted oil, and if you are living in the air for some time, there will be oxidation and there will be rancidity, means foul smell will come. So same thing is happening in this case also. Now this safflower oil contains the mixture of glycerides of fatty acids. And here let me tell you very clear, there are two oils. You should not have any confusion. One is called sunflower oil. There is N. Sunflower and safflower, both are different. There is no N in this safflower. But both belongs to Compositae family. Family is the same flower family, Compositae. But one is sunflower and other one is safflower. So here I am discussing the medicinal property, the health benefit of safflower oil. And this safflower oil today, it has substituted the olive oil. And it is because of its high smoke point. Because the olive oil smoke point, zaitun oil is 380 or 400 degree Fahrenheit, up to that. But this one is 520 degree Fahrenheit. So it means that if we are going for deep frying, this oil is better than olive oil, because there is chance of formation of free radicals, the evil radicals, which can damage our body, our cell, our DNA, RNA, when we are frying anything in olive oil. Secondly, it is little bit thick, so it can be used for salad and for other purpose also. And thirdly, your olive oil is little bit costly. That's why nowadays it has replaced olive oil in the market as a cooking oil, because of all these properties. And of course it is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acid like linoleic acid 76%, oleic acid 13%. So these fatty acids are linoleic acid is 76%, oleic acid is 13.4%, palmitic acid is 6%, stearic acid 3%, linolenic acid is 0.04%, and arachidic acid is 0.2%. Number 3, safflower oil is an edible oil. Nowadays it is commonly used as cooking oil, that is called edible oil, because of its high content of unsaturated fatty acid. And safflower oil is given to the patients with hypercholesteremia. Hypercholesteremia means those who are suffering from high cholesterol. So it is given to such patients. If it is used in excess, of course you may get diarrhea, so it should be under control and we should not use in excess. Number 4, today safflower oil is popular cooking oil, and recent research suggests that this oil provides health benefits, especially for blood sugar. I have already told you that those who are suffering from diabetic condition, hyperglycemia, if this oil is given 8 grams every day for 4 months, it can stimulate the pancreas, or it can maintain the sugar level in the blood. This is very important property of safflower oil. And cholesterol and skin, all these 3 medicinal importance, it can reduce the cholesterol level, and especially the bad cholesterol, that is called low density lipoprotein. Skin, and it can also control skin inflammation. If you are having problem of internal inflammation in your body, it is very powerful anti-inflammatory. So it has got 3 very important health benefits of medicinal property. First, it can control your cholesterol level. Second, it is good for those people who are diabetic. It can regulate, it can maintain your sugar level. And third, those who are having inflammation, especially the skin problem, it can control, and also it can protect your skin from sunburn. But once you are going to apply on skin, first you put 1 drop of this oil and wait for 3-4 hours. If there is no reaction, no allergy, no itching, then only you can apply, because some people, they are allergic to safflower oil. And then now safflower oil is considered as better cooking oil than olive oil. I have already told you, because of its high smoke point, and that high smoke point is 520 degree Fahrenheit. Number 5, a study recently suggested that consuming 8 gram safflower oil daily for 4 months may reduce inflammation while improving your blood sugar. So with this I will stop, and as you know, I am discussing nowadays the cooking oil, fixed oil we can say edible oil, and these oils, they are nothing but the mixture of glycerides of different type of fatty acids, and that different type of fatty acids means they can be unsaturated, they can be mono-unsaturated, they can be polyunsaturated, and they can be saturated fatty acid. And those fatty acids, when they are converted into ester, and that ester is called glycerides. That is the chemistry of all the oil. But nowadays the quality of oil is determined by 2 factors. What quantity of unsaturated fatty acid is there, and saturated fatty acid is there, and its burning point means smoke point. At what temperature it starts giving smoke, that is very important. And that's why once you are using cooking oil, once or twice, after that you should not use it. And sometimes the ratio is very important, and I have already discussed 3:1, 4:1. I mean this polyunsaturated fatty acid and saturated fatty acid, and also the medium carbon chain and long carbon chain. These are all, many factors are there which can determine the quality of oil. So here is safflower oil is qualitative in the sense that it is the mixture of glycerides of polyunsaturated fatty acid, and it is having very high 520 degree Fahrenheit smoking point. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.